Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel and welcome to this new tutorial video here. And I'm going to show you how to fix. You must be an administrator running a console session in order to use the SFC utility. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the problem. So first of all, click your search option here and here type CMD, that is the command prompt, and right click it here and select run as administrator and select yes. Now here you have to give an command. The command is sfc space backslash scan now and click enter. As you can see, the process is already began and the verification is already started, so your problem will be fixed. So this is the video. I hope this is a helpful video for you, and if this video does help you, please consider subscribing to my channel, and I will see you guys in the next video.